Hey guys, I'm here to show you how to access 8th grade history office hours. You see here, it's not quite finished, but you'll see the module for the week of 3:30 through 4:3. So this is the week of next week when we're going to start this remote learning. You click on where it says 8th grade history office hours, and it has all the information you need right here. Miss Crandall will be holding her office hours from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. on Wednesdays, and I, Mr. Brooks, will be holding my office hours from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. on Fridays. Now, you can join either one. Miss Crandall and myself, we are both happy to help any 8th grade student that needs it, as both our classes will be doing the same thing. If you have any questions and you don't want to email us, or you'd rather talk to us face to face, or it's a super complex question, uh, come to this page and it's pretty straightforward. All you need to do is copy and paste this link into a new tab. Now you'll see here, this will pop up that audio and camera are connected. If it's not connected, it'll say so. You can click on that. You can turn off your microphone and turn it on here. Make sure it's on if you have questions so we can hear you. You can turn on and off your camera here, and you can mess with the settings and captions and such here. Now, once you've got all that set up, and it's between either 9 or 10 on a Wednesday or 1 or 2 on a Friday, you click Join Now, and it'll take you to this screen where we'll be able to chat and answer any questions that you have. Make sure you're adding the correct code. So if you're with uh, Miss Crandall from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. on Wednesdays, don't copy and paste this code down here because I will not be in this chat. Miss Crandall will be in this chat. Of course, you can always email us or ask us questions that way. But like I said, if you want, this is an option as well if you want face-to-face answers.